What's the matter, Boots? You've just had your teeth done and all the others are down the paddock and you're up here. I might let you down and we can see what happens. Come on. Where's your mates? We're going to go for the hay. And down here we have Russell working on Shan.
Can you go? Sorry. Back between their legs, like you're not supposed to pee backwards. So.
How's his teeth, Russ?
Much like the other little fellow we just did, mate, just sharp. So.
Yep, that's good. This is the one that they suggested we had put down about 4 or 5 years ago.
Why?
Because I thought he was foundering, but he's got a genetic fault in his feet, like his partner had, and his feet just aren't natural. So I've had to learn to trim around his feet, which is because I tried trimming textbook and lamed him.
No, he walks around real well now.
He was going crook.
Oh, did you have to let him out?
Yeah. And Beau, what a surprise with this bloke. Remember the 25 kilo crest? We've hardly got a crest now, have we, mister? I'm going to do your feet in a second. Come here. But I want to show you this. Remember the 25 kilo crest? Look at this here now. Look, hardly any crest. Look, nearly all gone. It's all soft. Wow. And Mummy's up. She's got to get her teeth done next. So the adventure continues. I'm going to do your feet.